Peanut butter is a favorite in kitchens everywhere, from PB&J sandwiches to snacks and meals. But have you ever wondered how it's made? How does a peanut become the creamy spread we all enjoy? Let's take a look at the process that turns this simple nut into the tasty treat we love. Before we look at how peanut butter is made today, let's take a quick look at its history. Peanut butter has been around longer than you might think. In 1884, Canadian chemist Marcellus Gilmore Edson created a method for making peanut paste, which was an early version of peanut butter. This paste was first used as food for people with special dietary needs and set the stage for the peanut butter we know today. In 1895, Dr. John Harvey Kellogg, a famous nutritionist, began making peanut butter as a protein option for patients who needed soft, easy-to-eat foods. He created a process where roasted peanuts were ground into a smooth, spreadable form, making peanut butter easier to consume and more appealing to a wider group of people. His work played a key role in making peanut butter a food that everyone could enjoy, not just those with special dietary needs. Peanut butter became more popular in the early 20th century as improvements in food processing and packaging made it easier to produce and buy. However, it wasn't until World War II that peanut butter really became well known. It was included in military rations because it was a high-protein, long-lasting food. After the war, peanut butter kept gaining popularity and became a common food in homes. Today, it's still a favorite around the world, available in many different types and enjoyed in many different ways. Now that we've looked at the history, let's take a closer look at how peanut butter is made today. The peanut production process starts on farms in warm areas with sandy soil, like the southern US, China, and India. In the spring, farmers plant peanut seeds with enough space for healthy growth. Peanuts grow underground in pods and need constant care, such as checking soil moisture and nutrients. Farmers use methods to control pests and diseases while reducing the use of chemical pesticides, making sure the peanuts are safe and environmentally friendly. After 120 to 160 days, peanuts are harvested using special machines that pull the plants from the ground, shake off extra soil, and spread them out to dry in the sun. This drying, called curing, helps preserve the flavor and keeps the peanuts fresh longer. Once cured, the peanuts are collected, cleaned, and sent to processing facilities, where they are prepared for roasting or making peanut butter. Quality checks are done throughout the process to make sure the peanuts are fresh and taste good. In processing facilities, peanuts go through different steps to make various products. Some peanuts are roasted for better flavor, while others are salted, chopped, or ground into peanut butter. The final product depends on the type of peanut and what it's needed for, whether it's for snacks, spreads, or other foods. Each step is carefully controlled to make sure the final product keeps its natural taste, texture, and nutrition, giving consumers a high-quality product that has been made with care from farm to table. At the processing plant, the first step is shelling, where peanuts are separated from their outer shells. Large machines crack the shells open without harming the peanuts inside. These machines use pressure, vibration, and force to break the shells efficiently. Once the shells are removed, the peanuts are sorted by size and quality, making sure only the best ones continue in the production process. Sorting is a careful process that removes damaged, discolored, or contaminated peanuts. Advanced technology like optical scanners and laser sorting systems helps with this. These systems use cameras and sensors to find small imperfections, such as blemishes or foreign objects, and remove the bad peanuts accurately. This ensures only the best peanuts move forward in the production process, keeping the product consistent and safe. After sorting, the peanuts go through blanching, where they are briefly heated to loosen and remove their thin skins. The skins are then brushed off, leaving smooth, clean peanuts ready for roasting. Blanching also helps remove any bacteria, ensuring the peanuts meet food safety standards. Once blanched, the peanuts are ready for roasting to improve their flavor and texture before being packaged for consumers. Roasting is an important step in developing the flavor of peanut butter. The cleaned peanuts are put in large, rotating ovens where they are heated evenly. This process brings out the natural oils in the peanuts, giving peanut butter its rich, nutty taste. Roasting also helps the peanuts develop a warm, toasty smell that adds to the overall experience of the final product. The roasting temperature and time are carefully controlled to get the right flavor. A light roast gives a mild, delicate taste, while a darker roast creates a stronger, more toasted flavor. Timing and temperature are important to balance flavor and texture, as over-roasting can cause a burnt or bitter taste, which isn't good for peanut butter. Once roasted, the peanuts are quickly cooled to stop the cooking and keep them fresh. This fast cooling helps prevent over-roasting and locks in the natural oils and flavor. After cooling, the peanuts go through quality tests to make sure they meet industry standards. These tests include checking the taste and smell, as well as lab tests to measure moisture, texture, and consistency. Only the best peanuts are chosen for grinding, while the others are used for other purposes or thrown out. This careful quality control makes sure only the best peanuts are used in the final peanut butter. The roasted peanuts are ready to become peanut butter. They are put into large grinders that crush them into a thick, coarse paste. This first grinding releases the peanuts' natural oils and flavors, while keeping some texture, which gives peanut butter its base. The grinding also helps release the proteins and fats, making the peanut butter smooth and creamy. The coarse paste goes through a second grinding to make it smoother and more consistent. During this stage, ingredients like salt, sugar, and stabilizers are added. Stabilizers, such as hydrogenated vegetable oils, keep the peanut oil from separating, so the peanut butter stays spreadable and fresh. Salt and sugar are added to balance the natural nutty flavor, creating a blend that appeals to many tastes. For chunky peanut butter, small pieces of roasted peanuts are added back into the smooth base, giving it the crunchy texture many people enjoy. The mixture is blended well to make sure all the ingredients are evenly spread, creating a consistent and tasty product. This blending process is carefully watched to maintain the right texture and flavor in every jar. Once the peanut butter is ready, it's time to package it. The smooth, creamy peanut butter is moved into clean jars using fast, efficient machines. These machines are set up to minimize air exposure, which helps keep the peanut butter fresh and tasty for longer. The filled jars are sealed with tamper-proof lids to keep the product safe and secure. The lids are tightly closed to prevent contamination, and the jars are labeled with important details like nutritional content ingredients and expiration dates. This helps customers know exactly what they're buying. The packaging process takes place in a clean environment to follow strict food safety rules, making sure everything is hygienic. Automated systems check for proper filling, sealing, and label accuracy during this stage. After passing quality control, the jars are packed into boxes and shipped to distribution centers. From there, the boxes are sent to grocery stores, stocked on shelves, and made ready for customers to buy. Thanks to this quick process, the peanut butter reaches your table in just a few weeks, so you can enjoy it fresh and ready to use. Peanut butter remains popular because of its great taste, versatility, and convenience. Its rich, nutty flavor appeals to many people, and both smooth and chunky textures fit different preferences. As a common household item, it's a quick and healthy choice for meals and snacks, whether spread on toast, used in sandwiches, or added to recipes. Simple ingredients like salt and sugar bring out its natural flavor, while stabilizers keep it fresh and easy to spread for a long time. Peanut butter has stayed popular over the years because it's nutritious, affordable, and easy to use. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and important vitamins, it's a great choice for a quick energy boost or tasty snack. Its use in both savory and sweet dishes has made it a kitchen staple. Plus, its steady quality and smart packaging help keep it appealing. Thanks to ongoing improvements in production, peanut butter remains a favorite and a cultural icon, continuing to do well in the market. Now that you've got the inside scoop on peanut butter, we've got to ask, do you prefer smooth or chunky peanut butter? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty breakdown. See you next time.